welcome back to Tea Time EP03. So the reason why I'm vlogging tonight is you can actually see from the title itself. I'm going to a fun fair. I'm so excited because I can't remember the last time I've actually been to like a theme park. So I know it's gonna be an exciting night. Also, I'm late, so I have to get ready now. I've already planned my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys later. And also, I'm currently reading Book Lovers by Emily Henry. And I swear to God, the first the first 70 pages was like so slow. But now I'm like getting into it and I'm actually loving it. Also, Charlie Lustra is so hot. My dad actually already started the car engine, so it's a panic hour, but I really want to show you guys my new hijab tutorial because a lot of you guys DM me wanting to know how I wear my tudung. Here it is. So it's actually all over TikTok. Like, this tutorial is actually all over TikTok, which is why I don't know if I can make it, because then again I don't know who did it first. But credits to the one who did this style first, because I love you for that. It's so easy and I've been like using it for all of my tudung style. I don't care anymore. Like, I can wear satin silk now because of this style. Kalata, I hate wearing satin silk because it just won't bentuk. So this style is like perfect for every hijab material. But first thing is you have to make sure you have like a very short side, and this side will be very long. What you do is you pin the belakang. Okay, I'm recording. You're gonna bring the longer side. You're gonna put it all over your head, so it will become like this. And you see there's like a little hole here. You tie it this, from the long side knee. You ambil all the ones that are left behind. You take it, pull it, and then put it into the hole. Letak situ. And that's literally it. Then you can adjust, like if you want it to be flary, you can just let it be like that. But lately I have been loving showing my face. Like, I've been loving this muka bulat look. I'm starting to embrace my large face even more because I have a very like square jawline, which I'm not really a fan of usually, but now I love it. I love my face. And then if you want to cover your neck, pin it down here and I just like put it in. And you're good to go. Also, I'm an outfit repeater. I'm wearing my I Love Me t-shirt with my champion brown hoodie, and also this new white cargo I got from H&M, and it's so pretty. And I have to rush now, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Also, outfit check. I'm wearing my Adidas Esther and this new cute sling bag from Panda Eyes. I love it so much. But Sega Venda Tahu. Okay, don't support fake stuff. I don't know. First of all, I know I look like a literal mess right now. I just got back from the fun fair and I'm currently drinking my super cute roses because I need something that can, ease my mind because I'm so pening right now. The fun fair, it was very fun. I went on 3 rides, and the first one I went was the one that, it was spinning around. It goes up and down like that. The second one, I went on the boat thingy, and that one made me want to puke because I didn't get dinner before I went there, so I was like hungry. And then when you go on rides, I don't know, something to do with gravity, so your tummy, your body basically just gets kind of dizzy and you won't feel good. I felt like I want to puke after I went on the boat. We went to Mama. I ate Maggi goreng with ayam goreng, and then after I had dinner, we wanted to go home because, you know, you can't be riding any rides if your tummy is so full because you might puke again. But then again, I was like, maybe I should go on another one. And I went on the Tomahawk. I don't know why did they call it that, but I call it that. My family call it that. I went on Tomahawk and that was not fun. It's not thrilling at all. I prefer the first ride. And yeah, but it was an experience and I love going on rides. It makes me, I don't know, I just love the adrenaline rush when you go on rides. It's just so fun. I'm just so happy I got to spend time with my family at the theme park, and I just love theme parks basically. I love the rides, everything. I don't care, like, you know, just pusing jukan ay, let's go. I love theme parks, like I'm a theme park girl, you know. Like seriously, there's this one time, like I went to so many theme parks to the point where I don't feel anything when I go on rides. Like I don't get scared, I don't get nervous, I just want to go on that ride. But then like just now, I can't remember the last time I went to a ride since pandemic happened. I think the last one was Universal Studios Singapore in 2019. That was the last kind of theme park that I went. So wait, did I go oh yeah, I did went to Legoland. But you know, Legoland's like for very kids stuff, very kids friendly punya ride, so it wasn't like that thrilling. So I think the last thrilling kind of, but I don't know, the last thrilling theme park I went was Universal Studios Singapore. So that was like 2 years ago. So this fun fella, I'm getting back to that track where I go on roller coaster or any theme park rides that are very thrilling. So tadi, like I was so nervous to the point where during the first ride, I have to like put up my hand so I'll feel a bit released. So but I was shaking because I was nervous. I don't know why. Like I love going on rides, but I was so nervous just now. So I had to like, you know, just lepaskan and just release myself. It was fun. I'm glad I did that. Like, I'm glad I put my hand out semua. Sebab kalau tak I was shaking like crazy. So yeah, basically that's all I did tonight. And I look like a mess. Like if you see me at the theme park just now, pretend that you didn't. Okay, that wasn't me. But yeah, you know, this is why I don't talk in video, because I just talk and talk. I just can't stop talking. But anyways, I hope everyone is having a good night. I hope you all had a great weekend, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in EP04 of Tea Time. Bye.